Hey guys, it's Bryce. It's a Saturday morning. I'm kind of sleepy still. I want to go back to bed, but I can't because I've got lots of plant chores to do. I've got my watering today. I've got to clean up the shelves and stuff. I've got to clean some of the leaves of my plants. So, kind of a busy, packed day for Saturday, but you know what? I enjoy it so much. So yeah, but part of the daily chores that I do are to open up my prop boxes, my perlite prop boxes, I should say, and open them up so let them air out, kind of let the leaves dry a little bit. That way they're not rotting. So I thought I'd show you what's inside the boxes because I haven't done that yet. So here we go. All right, here we go. Here are my 5 prop boxes that I have. Kind of cool, right? I really love propagating in perlite. The roots seem to grow faster, and I don't know why. Maybe it's something in the perlite, anyway, it's really cool. So right here, let's see, we'll just start out here. We've got some jade, pothos, cute stuff. Some Syndapsis argyrius. So that's in that one. This one is all Marble Queen pothos. Let's check it out. Look at the leaves. Cut off any yellowing leaves they have, and I had to do that. Next over here we have 2 plants, or soon-to-be plants. The Philodendron Brazil. These leaves are so cute. I love them. And then we have 3 in here. We have an enjoy, not an enjoy, but a pearls and jade pothos. Cute, right? And then over here we have some heartleaf philodendron. Yeah. Really cute. And then I'm gonna go around the side here. Just hello, money tree. Hello, money tree. How you doing? How you doing? Anyway, right here, this is mostly Syndapsis, but there's some other stuff. So we've got some Syndapsis, Pictus argyrius, is the full name of it. And then we have some more heartleaf philodendron too. Cute stuff. I keep saying cute stuff. What are we doing? Next over here is my bigger box, and there's a few in here. I'll start over here. This is a golden pothos. Look at the variegation on these leaves. Check it out. So beautiful. Really, this one too. That's awesome. This one's white. It's creamy white. Here we have some Syndapsis argyrius again. I love it. I love that plant. So cute. I was like, I need a satin pothos, and I didn't know what I was saying, and I kept asking people, and they like quickly corrected me. They're like, no, it's not called it's not called a satin pothos. It's called a Syndapsis. So get it right. So right here we have some Philodendron micans, and I gotta say, I don't think they're doing that well. None of them have roots yet, and they seem to like, I don't know, this is just weird. So I'm gonna keep my eye on that and see how it develops. I'm kind of sad that it's not developing more, but whatever, it happens. Next we have some more Marble Queen Popos. Cute stuff. Really nice variegation. Love it. So, here's some like, I guess they're called wet sticks. This is probably from a pothos, I think. Doesn't have a root yet, but it does have a little new leaf coming on. A little thing poking out. I thought I had some more of these. Oh yeah, I do. I don't know what they are. It doesn't have any roots yet. One more. There we go. No roots. So we'll see if they produce any roots without leaves. But yeah, that's it for my prop boxes. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified of new content when it's available. Bye guys.